Part 33. The storm of the broken sky, the Toronto Primordial, still hummed with fading echoes of Amani's roar as the group stood at the edge of the sacred chamber, trying to steady their breath. The light and shadow swirling around the throne slowly calmed, leaving behind a soft glow that pulsed like a heartbeat. But that calm didn't last. A sudden tremor rattled the chamber. Dust fell from the ceiling, and a low guttural rumble rolled through the mountains. Deep, ancient, and angry, Kivali stiffened. That is not from the Abyssborn. Kovu narrowed his eyes. Then what is it? Amani stepped forward, still glowing faintly with the energy of the throne. Something has awakened. The sky breaks. Outside, the moment they stepped out of the sacred corridor, the world had changed. The sky, once a dim twilight, was now tearing open with spirals of swirling black clouds. Lightning cracked not with light, but with shadow. The wind howled with a voice like 1,000 screams, each gust heavy with malice. Zuri flinched as a bolt of dark lightning slammed into the mountainside, splitting a massive boulder clean in half. What is happening? Lumarai appeared beside them, his form flickering like unstable light. His voice was grave, more serious than ever. El Despertar del Trono has sent a shockwave through the circle. B Darkness has sensed a threat greater than before, and it responds with its avatar. Amani's heart tightened. An avatar of the darkness itself, Lumarai nodded. A fragment of the primordial abyss, given form. A creature neither shadow nor flesh, a being born from the hatred of broken ages. It seeks the throne. And it seeks you, Amani. Kera looked out across the trembling valley. Where's it coming from? Lumarai lifted his gaze. From the broken sky, the falling star, a piercing shriek tore through the heavens. All eyes lifted just in time to see a blazing mass of violet fire ripping through the storm clouds. It moved like a falling star, but its trail was wrong. Distorted, alive, twisting like tendrils of living shadow, it crashed into the distant plains with the force of a mountain collapsing. The shockwave hit them seconds later, dust, wind, and a pulse of darkness that made the air vibrate. Amani gritted his teeth as the fragments in his mane flickered. Zuri whispered, "What was that?" Lumarai's expression darkened. "Its name is Drazen, the harbinger of the abyss. The darkness has sent him to stop your ascension. He will not wait. He is already hunting." Kovu's claws slid out. "Then we should strike first. If this thing wants Amani, it has to go through us." Amani shook his head. "No, Drazen is not like the Shade Kings. He's stronger, faster, and he won't hesitate." Kivali floated closer, his voice colder than usual. "He was born from the shattering of the original crown created, from the hatred that spilled when the first light chained the dark. He exists for one purpose: to extinguish the roar." The journey to the impact site there was no time to waste. The group raced down the mountain path as the sky roared above them. Shadow, lightning cracked across the horizon, lighting their way in bursts of purple and black. As they neared the plains, the ground became charred. Trees had been reduced to ash. The air smelled like burning stone. Then, they reached it. A massive crater lay ahead, smoldering with violet flames. The soil was blackened, the rocks melted, and shadows crawled over the ground like living snakes. Amani felt a chill creep through his bones. From the smoke rose a shape, tall, towering, terrifying. Its body was made of shifting shadow, its chest glowing with a cracking violet core. 4 glowing eyes blinked independently, each filled with ancient fury. Its voice scraped like claws across stone. "Child of light, your roar threatens the abyss. I have come to silence you."